Start your career with apprenticeship. Explore what apprenticeship is, how it works, the benefits, the programs we offer, and typical wages, all in one quick overview. Your career journey starts here. An apprenticeship is a great way to learn a trade while getting paid. You'll work alongside skilled professionals, gaining hands-on experience and building real-world knowledge. At the same time, you'll take classes that support what you're learning on the job. By the end, you'll have valuable skills, a recognized certification, and a clear path to a rewarding career. Choosing an apprenticeship means gaining real-world work experience while earning competitive wages, often comparable to those of four-year college graduates. Tuition and fees are affordable, and depending on the program, you may have minimal to no out-of-pocket costs. Apprenticeships offer a practical, cost-effective path to job security and long-term success. This means you can build a solid, skilled career without the burden of student loans or significant debt. Our apprenticeship programs cover a wide range of skilled trades to fit diverse interests and career goals. Whether you're interested in heating and cooling systems, electrical work, plumbing, or manufacturing maintenance, we have options that combine hands-on training with industry-recognized certification. Programs typically last between 2 to 4 years, depending on the trade, and many lead to both journeyman status and professional licenses. We also offer specialized paths, like aircraft maintenance, which prepares you for FAA licensing after completion. No matter which program you choose, you'll gain real-world experience, valuable skills, and credentials that prepare you for a successful career. Upon completing their apprenticeship or training program, participants can expect competitive annual salaries, often ranging from $58,000 to $80,000, depending on the trade. Fields like environmental control system servicer/installer technicians, inside electricians, and sheet metal workers tend to offer higher average earnings due to specialized skills and industry demand. These salary figures represent averages. Actual earnings may vary based on location, experience, employer, and local labor market needs. No matter the path, these careers offer a strong financial foundation and a pathway to long-term, high-demand employment. If you have any questions or need more information, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can also scan the QR code to visit our website for the latest updates, resources, and additional support. We're here to help you succeed.